Today I'm going to replace a damaged screen for a Nokia C30. Its screen is faulty as you can see in the video. I used the tweezer to quickly open its back cover. I used the screwdriver to untie all the screws. I first started with the screws that hold the metal case that covers the battery, followed by the screws that covers the downer flex. I then untied the remaining screws that hold the plastic that covers the motherboard. I then removed the metal casing. I used the tweezer once again to remove the downer plastic that covers the flex. I removed the plastic that covers the motherboard as well. Then I used both my tools to remove the battery. The battery has a lot of sticky glue, so I applied benzene to soften it. After removing the battery, I unpinned the main fiber that goes to the motherboard. I then removed the damaged screen. After that, I used benzene and a brush to clean the board. I got myself a package with a Me-Too screen, which is original type. I placed back the motherboard that had fallen. I pinned the fiber of the screen to the motherboard and saw that it is working well. After that, I removed the screen once again and applied glue on it. I always apply glue on the screen instead of the board for easy application. When applying glue on the screen, it is important not to add glue on top of the screen because it is where most sensors are located. Sensors include a light sensor and also a camera. After putting enough glue on the phone, I applied the screen back. I pinned its fiber onto the motherboard. I applied some rubber bands to hold the screen and the board. I left it for several minutes before I completed my work. After enough time has passed, I removed the rubber bands. I pinned the fiber onto the motherboard. I applied the battery. I pinned the fiber that connects to the flex as well. I then placed back the plastic and the metallic casings. I used the screwdriver to put back their respective screws. I then put back its line and its back cover. After everything is done, I press the power button to turn on the phone. There is a seal on the screen which is removable, so you should not worry about it. After the phone turning on, I tested the screen and found out that everything was working well. More specifically, its touch sensitivity, which was responding well. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.